Welcome to this guided meditation. What we'd like to experience with this meditation is that you are not your thoughts, and even the most overwhelming feelings are temporary. It is okay to feel anxious. We are human. Anxiety is a storm in the mind, not a reflection of your true self. If anxious thoughts show up during this meditation, let them come and go like waves. Observe them. Do not judge them. Do not follow them. Just be the witness to your thoughts. Be compassionate with yourself and be the observer of your thoughts when they come up. Now, let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down, whatever feels most natural to you. Let your hands rest loosely, and if you feel safe, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for just a moment, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply, hold, and exhale gently through your mouth. Now, return to the natural rhythm of breathing. Don't try to change it. Just notice it. Notice how the air feels as it enters your nose and as it leaves your body. Let each breath anchor you to this moment. As you continue to breathe, let's take a moment to bring your awareness inward. Gently scan your body from the top of your head down to your toes. Feel your body on the floor. If you notice any tension, just acknowledge it. You don't have to fix it. You're simply observing. If you feel your mind wandering, that's completely okay. That's what minds do. Just gently bring your focus back to your breath, back to this moment. Now, let's use some calming affirmations. silently repeat to yourself, "This feeling is temporary. It will pass. I am safe in this moment. I don't need to have all the answers right now. Each breath brings me peace. I release what I cannot control." Let these words sink in. Repeat these mantras. Imagine them wrapping around you like a warm, soft blanket, supporting you, soothing you. Again, this feeling is temporary. It will pass. I am safe in this moment. I don't need to have all the answers right now. Each breath brings me peace. I release what I cannot control. Stay with one of these mantras. Repeat it in your mind for a while, like this one. I release what I cannot control. I release what I cannot control. I release what I cannot control. picture a place that brings you comfort. It might be a forest, a beach, a cozy room, or somewhere entirely your own. Visualize the colors, the textures, the sounds. Feel yourself surrounded by peace and stillness in this place. Stay in this peaceful place for a few more breaths. Let it ground you. Feel it and enjoy it. When you're ready, slowly begin to return. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently roll your shoulders. Take one final deep breath and exhale slowly through your mouth. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Bring this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. Remember, healing anxiety is a process, not a switch. Be gentle with yourself. You're not alone in this. And you're already doing better than you think. You gave yourself space to pause, to breathe, and to heal. You can come back to this meditation every time you need to reduce your anxiety and relax. Thank you for being here today. Namaste.